has been really volatile lately, especially in the crypto space. 2 days ago, I told that Bitcoin would be, there's a very good chance that Bitcoin might visit this level here at 3080, and look at what it did. It just bounced from here, and then it was a crazy bounce. I hope some of you made some money on this. And also Ethereum, I was saying that it's gonna crash, and yeah, from this level, once it broke, it just went down and down and down. Same story with Dogecoin. I was watching this YouTube video on this guy who's put up all his life savings on Dogecoin, and he was a Doge millionaire. Last I heard, he's still holding on to his investment. So I can't. For me personally, if I was seeing this crazy volatility, I would be really scared, man. Like at one point, he was up to 3.2 million, and with the current level of Dogecoin right now, I think he's at 1.1 million. So in one day, he probably lost around 2 million. That's crazy money. Anyways, crypto, keep an eye out on the crypto space today, because market is rebounding, and it's gonna be very interesting to see how it reacts to the nearest resistance level. So if we have a look at Bitcoin, it would be very interesting to see if it can go past 45,000. I'm expecting it to find some sellers near 4,200, 4,300, but we have to wait and see what happens. With Ethereum, earlier in the day, I took a trade on this, booked around $100, so that was a nice quick trade for me. With Dogecoin, I just watch it. I haven't traded it yet. So I was saying about gold yesterday, that also played out really beautifully. It bounced off from, okay, hold on, let me show the chart before. So yesterday on the live session, I was saying that I'm watching gold at 1855, and if it bounces from here, if this level holds, I'm gonna be a buyer here, and it's gonna break this resistance here. And see, it was right on the dot. It came down to 1852, and it bounced up to 1890. Like I said yesterday, this was a beautiful trade I took in my live account yesterday, and I got some good returns on it. And let's have a look at the news now. Today is Thursday, so we had some data out from Australia earlier in the morning. It didn't move the market much, so during the Asian London session, I don't see any major news coming out. In the New York session, the Bank of Canada governor will be speaking. In the New York session, there's not much except for that Canadian data. And since we're not trading live on New York session, I'll just leave it be for now. Let's get back to the charts. Let's look at the majors first. So EURUSD. With the euro, it's at this critical junction that I marked before, and it's kind of consolidating here. So as long as it keeps above this one, there's a good chance that we might push higher. But we have to also keep in mind that the euro has been rising steadily for a while now. So if we look back, it's been rising steadily from 1.17 without, it did have a decent retrace over here, but it's still going up. So it's near yearly high. So even if there's a bull run here, like if we expect some bullish movement here, I want to see it crack this 122.50 level before it can go up higher. The euro breaking the high here, retesting this level, and then breaking higher. One small trade I'm noticing here that we can take is, this for euro to fill this one. Okay, maybe I'll take this trade to start the day off. Yeah, I entered a long on euro. So basically this is my setup. On the pound, yes, similar looking setup, but on the pound, it did break this level that I was saying about yesterday. Right now it's consolidating near this level. So we can take another similar trade to that of euro, but since I already taken a trade on the euro one, I'll skip the trade on the pound because it's gonna just double my exposure, which I don't want it to do right now. Now let's look at the Aussie. There's no trade on the Aussie right now. It's in the middle of the range. Looking at USD yen. See, this is the level we marked yesterday. So this one resulted in loss, but once we did get another chance to get on this trade over here, and it did come all the way down to hit our TP. So this trade didn't work out yesterday exactly the way we planned. This one I was short here, but I got out of all my positions over here. And then later on in the day, I did short it over here, and then I didn't hold it all the way down to my TP. I just held it up to here. The USD Swiss franc is consolidating here. We have to wait for it to break this zone over here. There's nothing to trade before that. As it's staying on this consolidation zone, we can't really do much about it. We can look at euro pound. Same story. It's pretty range bound. Taking a look at the yen crosses. So with this one, once it broke the support level yesterday, it didn't offer any pullback, so we didn't get onto this trade. The euro JPY, I did take a trade on this one. Once it broke this support here, we have another opportunity of going short, but I'm not too keen on taking this trade right now. Pound Kiwi, similar kind of setup with the euro New Zealand, but the euro New Zealand is a stronger pair to short. Dollar index, it did have a push up like we were saying yesterday, and now it's just looking like it wanna come down. So yesterday, during our market analysis, I said it's gonna yen and Swiss franc is gonna gain in strength, which it did. I'm having some problems with my mic, so probably I'll just put some background music on today and just show my trades live.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Take us so long. Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers get answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you. which I couldn't see. And now that you're by my side again, I'll never leave you behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, why did it take us so long? Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now the prayer's been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you. Now I found you. And now my prayer's been answered. Now I found you. Why did it take us so long? While I was dancing on my own. And now my prayer's been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you. We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired.